Today I'm working on this beautiful back porch and pergola. It's all brand new. It's so beautiful. So I'm having to replace this door. Well, kind of move a door. And what we have here is the old door, the one that I'm moving, won't open because this new pergola is in the way. So what they're wanting to do is move the door from here to here, right here. And it's gonna open this way because obviously you have this in the way. So that means I'm gonna have to reconstruct all of this, move it over here, and move it over around here. I'm trying to figure out how to move this over here, and this over here, and this over here. It's a lot. And not only that, but this is going to have to be redone, but over here. And then this is going to have to be redone over there. These are going to have to be moved over here, right here. When it comes to taking off these pieces that you don't want to be damaged, use a putty knife instead of your pry bar, like these. It wedges in there, you can peel it back a little bit, and now you want to get your pry bar. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, so now I have delicately moved all of this stuff from over here, the bottom and the top. And so now I'm ready to, I think I'm gonna move this way. And that's going to require a little bit of support to take this stuff off and this stuff off. And basically moving this bottom piece on this side. It's taking the carpet and putting it over here. So my customer, they want it to be seamless. They don't want it to look like it had been tampered with. They want it to look original. So that's my goal. Besides, look at all the beauty of this. Like, all this ceiling, this porch, it's just immaculate. We step down here, we step away, and look at all this. Just keep walking, just keep walking. Look at the beauty of this structure. Like, this is quality. All right, I got the top stuff moved. Now, this is weight bearing. It is indeed holding up the weight of this roof. Okay, so I want to move it this way. And here's my mark. So I'm only moving it six inches. Literally, it's 6 inches. This is gonna be a 36-inch door right here, so it's gonna be exact measurement, 36 inches here to there. This needs to come over 6 inches. Okay, so I have a support here, a support here. That should be more than enough to take this, cut it, and move it against this. That's my 6 inches. All right, got it cut. Now I just gotta get the top and move it on over. All right, got the bottom section in. The top section is in, as you can see. This section is in. There's a little gap right there. I need to fix that. The door is gonna go in right here. I gotta get some more carpet, little transition piece to put in there. Put the door in. Still gotta go around, do some staining to clean this up, as well as getting some stain to clean this up and that there. But so far, looks pretty good. Gotta get the screen in, which I'm gonna have to, there's my screen, and so I need to shorten it in order for it to fit in there. So I'm fixing to do some staining. All right, it's finished. I did the steps, put in some new lattice on both sides, got the door in, got the screen in, and it looks amazing. Good job, Chris. Good job. All right, gotta put this back up. Slide it under here. I'm gonna grab my tools, turn in the invoice, and call it a day. See you next time. Beautiful.